Howdy, how is it going? So in this video, I'm gonna be doing some more of the trimming of the topiaries. Some of you that has been following my gardening journey, I have lots of balls of plants here, so I have to continue keeping up, maintaining its shape. And then deadheading roses. I still have some blooms here and there, so it's still fun. You know, it's officially fall, and then the two pots there, the petunias it's still flowering, but it's very sparingly. It's no longer as lush and full, so it's just really about time. I have to clean up the pot, prep it for a fall flower arrangement. Hopefully I would be able to do that soon, so I'm excited and is looking forward to that. This season has changed and I'm still going crazy. I'm losing my mind here in my yard, doing some trimming. I am prepping my space. Just gonna give you an idea basically of how I do the clean up and stuff. So my favorite, Olivia Rose Austin. Look at that. Today is September, 22nd? It's gonna be her 4th flush, I think. Look. Very pretty. And then let me show you Crown Princess Margarita over here. Oh, the neighbor is so loud. Crown Princess Margarita, David Austin. There were like 5 in this cluster, but the other 3 got spent. This one is smaller. My boscabel is blooming again. Woohoo! There you go, guys. And that's how I do my fall maintenance. Just keeping up with the shape of the topiaries and just making it look nice and neat. Yep, I still have to fully clean up those 2 pots. So in a day or two, I can plant fall flowers. Yay! And I still have some colors right there on the side, on the south side of the house, the side of the garage here. See, the color still very much right there. Yeah, look at those geraniums and no, the begonias. The colors, guys, just amazing, just so bright. Yeah, giving you a little bit of tour as to how's the color looks like. Look at the olivia that I made the root last year in the fall. Manana coleus, look at that. And of course hosta. There's earth angel that I also rooted last year. It is doing just fine, although it doesn't get much of sunlight, so I guess it is bending towards the direction of the house as it follows where the sun is. It chases the sun. And there's the begonia, you guys. Whoa, look at that color. And Abraham Darby just actually flowered, so my lawn is spotty, sorry for that. And of course rubber hydrangea. Look at that color, guys, so vibrant. So as the weather gets cooler, you can see how the color as well changes. Look at the color of the fall, you guys. My backyard backdrop is just gorg. When all of those leaves fall off, you can see the Sumas Mountain, and I want to show you that my two box planter here. Yep, I still have some colors right there. And I want to show you some of the roses that are blooming in here. Princess Alexandra Abkant. So I actually planted how many? 1, 2, 3, 5 different varieties of roses in here. My plan is to come up with a hedge, and I planted 3 of these in the fall, and they didn't really grow much. Look at this. I had to deadhead, no, not a deadhead, but I had to defoliate this Coco Loco because it's just so disease stricken. There's so much a black spot going. So yeah, but it gave me some blooms. So pretty. Look at that. The color of this one, the other one is different. And then of course I love this one, Moonlight in Paris. Yeah, and looks like there are tons of buds. So I am looking forward to this beauties to open up. And this problematic what is this, Jubilee Celebration, that is not even blooming. That's just I cut down again this cane that just keeps growing high. So let's see, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this rose. It's not that much. And crocus, this is crocus, and as you can see, it's the plant that I am also having issue with mildew. Part of this, I guess, is this is the east side of the property, and this gets morning sun like about 4 hours to 5. Special of these two here, the Princess Alexandra Abkant and the crocus. And yeah, I had to deal with mildew. I sprayed, and just keeps coming back. It would disappear in like a week or two, but then there it is again. So I have to figure out something else, I think, pretty soon. Maybe mix hydrogen peroxide with a little bit of soap and water and dump it on the base, because that work actually with this what is this here, this rose here, I forgot its name, bolero. This one also started having the same issue, but look at Princess Alexandra of Kent. Beautiful, beautiful, you guys. All right, I'm gonna show you some of my hostas right on the side of the north side of the property. They're just done flowering. Oops, weeds. Yeah. That would be the next that I have to clean up the hostas. I have to trim them down. The begonias right here are still flowering. Look at this red, you guys. It's going crazy. That's like a climate like this when it's cooler. Look at that. Look at this manana. I super love the variegation of this one. And presenting in the pot another kind of hosta. Yay! Just right here at my front door. I still have to trim these ones. A yew. I think it's a yew bush. I'm not sure. I just trimmed Queen of Sweden. I hope you're enjoying wherever you are right now. Thank you for watching and for your subscriptions, and have a great day.